Can a factory really run completely paperless? At Lift ERP, we know it can, and so do our customers.
And we went completely paperless. Everything in your business all in one place, that's Lift.
Lift is something that keeps track of everything in our entire company, from beginning to end of it all. You can do it on your phone, tablet, anything. I walk around with my iPad all day long. Somebody asks me a question, I have it right in front of me.
You can see what's on the docket right now that has to go through pre-press. You can see what's the status of every job that's in pre-press. You can say, okay, what do I have to print on this printer right now?
With Lift, you can handle a lot more work because you don't have to take the physical time and labor to prepare a job with a job folder and move it from station to station. It's all done electronically now.
We're not trading emails. Again, we're saving time, we're saving phone calls. The production you can set up, it doesn't matter if it is a Durst printer, it doesn't matter if it is a Vutech printer, HP, photo writers. We have all this different equipment just ready to apply vinyl. All these different types of work that we do at our company, and Lift is able to handle all of that through the production process. Everything is in one location. It's all in Lift.
Really makes it much easier to manage the information that we're all struggling with every day.
It is getting our customers excited about working with us in ways that other printers do not have. And that's been huge for us, just huge. Because if your customers are on board, then everything else will take care of itself. Lift has been a game changer for us because in so many ways, it is future-proofing our company.
I would say my one single line is Lift helps streamline your business.
I don't think we would be where we're at without it.